gentlemen, I present you the new SM girl group, Aespa.
Hello everyone, this is Fai, and today as requested I'll be showing you another Aespa members inspired makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and watch this video until the end, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to do the base makeup first. I've already made Karina's makeup tutorial before. If you are curious, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. I'm going to make the shape as similar as Winter eyebrows. Winter has a light eyebrows color because her hair is blonde. So I'm going to try to recreate it, but it may look a bit weird because my hair is dark. After that, let's do the face contour. Winter has a really slim face, which is the opposite of my face. But I'm gonna try my best to cover my chubby face. Moving on to the makeup, I'm going to apply the base makeup first onto the upper and lower lid of my eyes. And then I'm going to apply a pinkish coral color onto my upper lid and blend it evenly. I'm going to apply a shimmery yellow color onto my lower lid around the eye also. And to tone down the color, I'm going to apply a light beige color on top of it. Next, I'm going to apply a brick color onto the other feet and blend it evenly. And now I'm going to line my eyes with a pen liner. To create a slim line, I'm going to line the inner part of my upper lash line like this. And then draw the tail a little bit longer at the end. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with a dark brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply the falsies and mascara. Let's do the fun part now. Winter has a unique eye makeup in the music video, and now I'm going to try to copy the look. I couldn't find the exact eye jewels that she wore, so it won't look exactly the same, but it's really fun to do this kind of eye makeup. I just wish my hair were blonde. After that, I'm going to apply highlighter onto my nose to make it look higher. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of blusher onto my cheeks. For the lips, I'm going to create a matte neon pink lips like this. And the makeup is done.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the new SM.
So that's it for this tutorial. If you want me to create more videos, please support me by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!